Assalamu alaikum student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start question number 3 of exercise 3.3. So take out your copies and write down the question. What is the least capacity of a container that can be filled by the containers of capacity 45 deciliters, 18 deciliters and 30 deciliters? So here we have to find the least. It means we have to find the least common multiple of 45 deciliter, 18 deciliter and 30 deciliter. So here we will find the LCM together these three numbers. So here we will start the solution. We have to find, here we will write that we have to find the least common multiple of 45 deciliter, 18 deciliter and 30 deciliter. Now we will take the LCM of these three numbers 45, 18 and 30. So here we have 45, 18 and 30 deciliter. First we will take the LCM from the table of 2. So here we have 2 that is not completely divided the 45. So we will write as it is. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Now here we have 45, 15 and 9. We will cancel it with 3 because 9 will be divided with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15 and 45. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15, here 15. Now again we will divide it with 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 5 will be as it is. Now here 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So we will multiply these factors that are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 to find the LCM. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now here we will multiply these factors. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18 and 18 5s are 5 8s are 40, 4 will be carry, 5 1s are 5 and 4 9. So the LCM will be, the least capacity of container is 90. So here we will write the answer there. Thus the capacity of container is 90 deciliter, is 90 deciliter, that is 90. So write it in your copies and write down the homework. Practice exercise 3.3 question number 1 to 3. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.